Welcome to the Workshop Insider channel, and today you'll see incredible tricks that really work. Here's a great way to stir up the paint. No more doing it with your hands. The right way to drive screws. And how do you like such a convenient brush holder? An easy way to cut a wooden bushing. Homemade grinder. Just awesome. A more reliable way to glue wood together. Laminate is no longer a problem. A very convenient handle for a bottle, but a little creativity and you will turn such bottles into a decorative element. Very practical fastener. Another very beautiful decor element from an old record. Very convenient and practical container for your consumables. With the help of a rope, you can glue hard-to-reach areas well. Easy and useful way to sharpen up the blade of your planer. Just do as I do and your blade will be as good as new. And here's a more convenient and useful trick if you often have to work with a vise. It'll prevent damage to your materials. Don't be afraid of what you just seen. It seems complicated only at the first glance, but I'm sure that you'll easily repeat everything that I've done in this video and get a very useful tool for your workshop. While you are looking for everything you need to repeat after me, write in the comments what you liked the most, and as always, press like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!